Maintainer Magics. Use of anterior chamber maintainer in dealing various situations in cataract surgery and its postoperative complications. Capsulorhexis. While performing capsulorhexis, ACM is inserted through a corneal pocket made with 20 gauge MER blade and switched on. Though the capsule floats in the chamber, it is easy to control the direction of the tear using the tip of the bent cystitome. If needed, a second instrument like Sinskey hook may be used to stabilize the floating capsule. Microrhexis forceps and micro scissors can also be used comfortably when required with the ACM. Hydrodissection. The hydrodissection can be performed either through the side port or through main incision with ACM on. This helps to prolapse one pole of the nucleus, which can be easily dialed out into anterior chamber with hydroneedle or a Sinskey hook. Let us watch some examples. Nucleus extraction. ACM helps to build hydrostatic pressure in the anterior chamber, which is helpful to hydroprolapse the nucleus. Using Sheets glide or a McPherson forceps or a hydroneedle, the tunnel is pressed to extract the prolapsed nucleus out of the eye. Raising the bottle height by the assistant during this step makes the job easier. Phacoemulsification. ACM also helps in performing a safe phacoemulsification by preventing the fluctuations in anterior chamber. It also prevents endophthalmodonosis by preventing the surge. Thus, ACM eliminates the need to concentrate on fluidics of phacomachine. Cortex removal. Epinucleus and cortex removal is made simple and safe with the ACM. The posterior capsule stays far away from aspirating cannula as the chamber is kept deep and constant throughout the surgery. A single port top aspiration cannula or a bimanual system can be used to carry out the cortex extraction. Posterior capsule polishing can be done by removing the piston of suction syringe attached to the top aspiration cannula. This acts like a cap vac mode in phaco machines. IOL implantation. While implanting the IOL, the beginners can leave the entire IOL first in the AC on the iris surface. This can later be dialed into the bag through the side port. After gaining experience, one can directly introduce the leading haptic into the bag, leaving the trailing haptic at the tunnel with ACM on. Then, the trailing haptic is dialed into the bag through the side port. If the chamber flattens, we can switch off the maintainer and use viscoelastic while implanting the IOL, and later turn the maintainer on and remove the visco. Foldable IOLs can also be injected after phaco using ACM. This avoids the need of visco removal from underneath the IOL and helps in preventing post-operative glaucoma due to visco retention. ACM also helps in performing scleral fixated IOL by maintaining the chamber deep and constant. Postoperative complications. ACM is also useful in managing several postoperative complications with minimum manipulation. Retained lens matter can be easily removed from underneath the IOL using ACM and top aspiration cannula. Thus, we have seen ACM is a simple, safe, and economical tool which acts like a magical instrument in performing cost-effective cataract surgery in developing countries. Thank you.